Alright, so we're downtown now. We're gonna go have some lunch. And we're gonna be trying someplace new. But at least for me, it's called Two Story Kitchen. And looks like they got bibimbap, kimbap. Looks like they got some Korean shit. And it's open 10 a.m. in the morning. And it closes at 11 p.m. at night. And they also have weird Lego things. Coffee, food, drinks, dessert, sandwich, Korean food, free Wi-Fi takeout. Two-story kitchen. Ooh, got the Samyang series. Oh, spicy rice cake challenge. Yeah, I could do that. That's very nice on the interior. Aircon. Oh, Japanese. Brian says I got Japanese style seating upstairs. It's very tastefully decorated. They got art. You guys know I like art. All kinds of art. And they got, I don't know what these things are. They're pretty cool. There's the Hulk, Iron Man, Minions, Mickey and Minnie. Huh. Cool. I like it. And they got a Maryland license plate. Huh. And they got books. Korean books. Interesting. Huh. Upstairs, I guess. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Oh, look at this. Fancy. Fancy. Ah. And they got Japanese seating right here. And above, too, they got stuff up here. Wow. So, yeah, you can eat up here. Probably take a nap if you wanted to. The air conditioning's cranking up here. Huh. This is cool. Two-story kitchen it's called. Right next to Chapters bookstore and restaurant. They got two-story nail spa. You get your nails done too. Jeez.
Me and Chester rice.
Crispy butter. Oh, they got all kinds of cool stuff. Pan steak, chicken steak teriyaki, shrimp bacon pilaf.
And the cookie water.
Lunch promo, 11 a.m. to 5. You get a burger steak and you get a free iced tea. Ooh. I don't know how the burgers are.
I had the chicken burger. Yeah. Way too much dressing.
Way too much dressing.
It was dripping out.
All kinds of kimbap. Korean food, bibimbap, bulgogi. Ooh, nice. Udon.
And of course, my favorite.
Entrees. Chicken cordon bleu. Chicken Milanese. And Brian recommended the what?
The chicken sandwich.
The chicken sandwich. That's what I'm gonna get. The chicken sandwich. Because it's lunch, so you don't want something heavy. That's it. Nice. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so the ladies were served first. Got a little salad. Got some rice, because rice is very important.
Rice is life.
And we got the pork chop.
Rice is rice.
Rice is rice.
Rice is life.
That's so good.
And got a calamansi shake. So, see how it goes. Our chicken sandwiches have arrived. Brian got French fries. I didn't get French fries. And it's made with ciabatta. Got some cheese in there, chicken. I'm getting ready to kill this. Good? Alright.
Yummy.
Yeah, we got lots of rice. There goes more rice. Rice. It's the most important thing. So here's my first bite. That's really good. We're gonna kick the spice to it too. Oh wow, that's really good. Alright, so we are done, and this is going to Angel, who's injured, and that's going to Angel, the bones from the pork chop. The pork chop's really good. That's the best pork chop I've had in the Philippines. And my sandwich is completely gone. It was really good. Brian's got a Royale problem. That's it. So what is it called? Two-story kitchen?
Two-story house.
Two-story house and kitchen. It's very
We have
good.
Samyang challenge.
And they have a Samyang challenge, which we're not going to do. No. See you next time. Ooh, my back. Okay, yeah, so we just finished having lunch. It was delicious. I highly, highly, highly recommend Two-Story Kitchen here in Dumaguete. If you're looking for someplace new and you haven't been here yet, you gotta definitely check it out because it is fantastic. Isn't it? My Philippine dreams. And we'll see you later. Alright, so I got my video done on that apartment. Now we're going downtown. We're down.